Hello and welcome back to Rue Vlogs. I am Dagan and today I'm in Rome, Italy. I'm about to go explore for some ancient ruins and eat some margarita pizza with pineapple on. Let's go. Put your motherfucking hands up! So just got back from a day out exploring all the ruins, seeing the Colosseum, which was beautiful, and just the architecture around Rome is spectacular. Like, you have to come see it. I know I say that often, but if you like old cities, if you like amazing architecture from previous times, from centuries ago, then you have to come see this. It is absolutely beautiful. There's tons of tourists, but of course, beautiful places attract lots of tourists, so you need to expect that. I didn't get to have pizza. I had a slice and then we ran out of time, so I had to rush back to the hotel. So hopefully next time I'm in Italy, I'll have some margarita pizza with extra pineapple. But until then, peace.